Hey, welcome to another video. Today we are doing more of a daily life type of video to really get down and get a lot of things done. I do not write scripts for my TikTok videos. It's normally straight off the dome, but I really do want the information to be concise and cite some sources because we're going into a deep dive, a 7-part series about carbs and how they affect your body. So I want to make sure that I'm putting enough information inside the videos while that is going on. I recently took over all the email marketing for my business, and the platform that I use right now is called Klaviyo, and I absolutely love her. Okay, you get all the analytics, you get all the information that you need in order for your brand to succeed. Plus, we're switching over to their SMS platform this year, actually next month. So that's crazy. So let me go ahead and craft some of those emails and let's get back to work. So I'm on my way to run my very first errand of the day and also run and get some food, y'all. Listen, it's now around 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet. That's my new fasting window. I start eating at 2 and I stop eating at 9 because that fits in a little bit better with my lifestyle. And it allows me to get in enough meals in the day to still reach my goals. Okay, I'm currently on a weight loss journey. The goal is to get down about 30 pounds. So y'all are going to see the transformation up close and personal. Okay, I believe the first little bit of amount of weight is going to come off of my face, and then it'll just trickle down to the rest of my body. I am really focused driving for some reason. Well, you should be focused driving, but yeah. It's my first time doing a video like in the car of me driving. This video actually has a lot of first inside of it. So yeah. Oh man. Hello.
What can I do for you?
So yeah, I ended up getting a smoothie. Avocado latte is definitely the best, okay? The best flavor at Tropical Smoothie. It's not really the healthiest, but hey, this is what we're working with. Just need a little snack in between all the other stuff that we're doing today. So I ended up picking up my mom, and she actually ended up driving because when I drive when somebody else is in the car, it just makes me super nervous. I can't really explain it. Y'all comment down below if that happens to you. Like if you're driving, it makes you nervous. Let me know. I know I'm not the only one. So she just ended up driving. So another big thing that I'm doing right now is trying to figure out what ads to put together. And I want to run them on Pinterest. The reason being is because Pinterest is one of those very searchable places where the content is evergreen over there. So if you're a business owner and you're considering running ads, I would strongly suggest Pinterest. And I got that from another creator on this app on YouTube. And I'm also going to run this ad on TikTok. So I need y'all to vote below and y'all tell me what ad y'all like more, what's more natural. Like, we're gonna get this together. You feel me? So this is our current Pinterest, okay? I did formerly have somebody taking over this page for me, but now I'm taking over all the Pinterest duties because I realized that it's actually a little bit easier than I was giving myself credit for. And I actually have a background in graphic design. So as you can see, the ones further down are the ones that
This is how I'm entering my thick girl era. Right before the gym, after a little breakfast, I take 2 gummies. Post-gym shower, I apply my thicker than a Snicker cream. And later in the day, when I feel like I need an added boost, I take my Big Booty Base syrup. These products in the Fit Fine Flawless collection build tissue while boosting collagen production in your glutes. They were formulated by experienced herbalists and made with herbs that have been around for thousands of years. The queen creator uses them herself, and you see how that is going for her. So please do not purchase if you are not trying to gain a dump truck. Okay, you have been warned. All right, bye.
So this is the video that I recorded that did numbers on TikTok, kinda, and it also did numbers on Instagram. So I'm thinking about turning this into an ad, but I need y'all input, okay? Please let me know if you like the first video better or my video. Personally, I prefer the first video more because she's a professional, okay? She's a professional. So y'all let me know which one you like more. This is how I got the BBL look naturally without the pain, okay? That's where I started. This is where I am now. I cut out this crap. It does absolutely nothing besides piss off the person next to you, okay? I started incorporating body weight exercises as well as weighted exercises in order to build up the muscle. To take it to the next level, I started applying herbs topically in order to boost up collagen production and estrogen levels naturally to get me thicker faster, baby. Okay, y'all, let's finish up this day by packing some orders and, of course, filling some products. Those of y'all who don't know, everything is 100% handmade, vegan, and organic by me, and I've been doing this for over a decade, so results are pretty much guaranteed. So I love y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Flawless Babe family, okay? Later.
So grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See you with the top down.
$2.30.